Now, on line 2, number, please uncomment line 2. After taking the number from client, from the user, uncomment the line 2. No need to select. I told you. Yeah, very good. Yeah. And also hit enter after that. Yeah. The number which are you going to take from the user is a string. Now, new number should be integer. Please uncomment the line 6, which is your new number after adding 6. Yeah. Also change the 5 into integer, not a string. Remove the quotation marks from 5 in line 6.
Ah.
Yeah, very good. The problem is that the number is now a string, and also please comment all the other lines on from 12 to 17. I just wanted to show you the point. Yeah. Okay. It is a common practice when working with input. You put all the input in integer. So after in line 2, number equal, equal int parenthesis, and put all the input in the, after equal, write int parenthesis, and also at the end of the line, parenthesis, close parenthesis. Yes. Also, uncomment the line 7. Yeah, we are just have 3 lines of codes now. Control S and execute. Yeah. Finally, you could revise your code with just putting your input in integer. Did you see what was the problem and how we could solve that problem? Input the number which you always input do not know. The point is that the output of input always is a string. So we have to do an extra work to change that. If we want to take a number from input, we have to change it into integer. We searched the comment in Google, and the comment was int parenthesis. Please clear the int from input. I want to change this code a little. Delete integer. Also, it's parentheses. Yes. Now, in line 3, just like what we did with I, integer number. We mean that we have changed the number into integer. Integer underline number, or num. It is just a variable name. It is arbitrary. Whatever you want. I just want to Okay, equal integer equal integer number equal int parenthesis the number, the variable number. Yeah, number which we get from client. Right number. This is just the number in line 2. But as we know, because it is input, it is a string. So we have to change it into integer, okay? And now integer number is an integer number. And also we have to revise line 6 because number is a string and we have changed into an integer in line 3. So instead of number, now we write integer number. Yes, very good. Control S. Now, put a number. Give it a number. Yeah, it works. Execute it again and put another number. Enter. Yeah. Yeah. It works. It works perfectly. Okay.